rule and command, you know. So you get of our commander, you must always take it, you know. But we must have that robust debate where we say, how do we find a balance in terms of amasocha nama professional, so that parties want to balance, you know. Because now some things will be imposed and say, but you know, you will complain later. Commander now, be commanded now, and you will complain later. But as MK grows, remember what is bringing everyone on board. So it's very important also to look at the way we know, but we need to have a balance where I'm a professions, they balance. We can't have soldiers in that pen. And in terms of kakulu leadership.
Yeah, as in the point mnandi la. Now ema-ground forces like with petty diversity of a professionalism. And yena Fede uba he does bring an interesting dynamic to the. But it's about time the baton has to be passed to the current generations, because that's why lempile esibhekane nayo manje, it's like it's more maybe than 5GW, the fifth generation warfare, whereby Impia Corner is 90% information and 10% violence, physical violence. Manje sisasekuyo 9%, lukule 90%, and it's only the current generations who understand this kind of warfare. Esikuyo amasoja wethu fethu amasoja, but they never like went to a war yamampela. Masesikhuluma iqiniso. I don't know if I'm making sense, Commander.
You are making sense, Commander. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying we need to have a balance where we say remember, even themselves, they are professionals, but we need to bring other professionals. Remember, the party must balance, you know, and not or something, but I'm saying we can't always be led by a professionally structure SE1. You understand? We need to bring on board other professional structures where we say, so that we can have a balance. If it was so, how do we weigh in on them? You know, because as the MK party, remember, as our members are, or as our ground forces, we have questions where we need to be answered. But now, when you ask a soldier is to go, but you are commanded now. You'll answer later. You're gonna ask him a question later, you know. And we can't run an organization. We need to have a balance in an organization where we're saying, if we have concerns, we need to do them. We need to deal with them now, you know. Not to no, but comply, and then you will ask him a question later. And how do you understand that now? As much as yes, it's true. But I'm saying we need to find a level, we need to level the grounds for us so that we cool.
Yeah.
So that cool. I remember at some point we will have to give it to the next generation. And out in the next generation are not soldiers. You understand? The next generation is Abantonabi who are coming. The next generation will be me now. I understand that now. We are not trained soldiers. We don't know anything about war, but I think we can add value on whatever perspective that we're coming with or coming on about, you know. So for me now, it's a good move. Tony again has been there. No, and it's good to bring people who love Jacob Zuma because they will always protect Intangano, you know. But at the same time, let's bring on board as many professionals as we can so that we can balance the mhlambe bathini, can balance
Status quo.
mhlawumbe forces or whatever what we can call it. We need balance with MK. Remember, MK is still a baby. It's gonna be turning 2 in December. We need to have balance so that it can grow. We are a one-dimension part where we need soldiers in Japan. And our soldiers, they've been tried and tested, and do not bring any value. They're not giving us that. Next. Unless if they say next year we are going to war, they can bring soldiers.
Yeah. As you say, as me, like it's my second year in active politics. I've never been active within any other party, so all I know is Umkhonto weSizwe. So we do need like expertise from the tried and tested. Joe should of which most of them is the soldiers. And our soldiers they are diverse in their occupation. Hence we are in the good position to pass on a baton to the next generation. Into the cycle, I think saying good age, we need to like encourage our soldier with a conscript youth into their ranks so that the next generation of armor platoons are be secured. I don't know if that. What do you think of that, Kuman?
No, you are 100%. Remember, we have our youth, which is mostly affected by our social, economic, whatever, where most of them, most of them, most of them, like, understand which country to go. Yes, we need soldiers there. We need to soldiers there who will say, let's come up with a discipline structure on how how do we incorporate them coming into politics, coming into in our country, I think that's what we need to. Let's go to President it's good. It's for him, yes, it's good. It's for MK, it's good. But we need to tackle our social issues. Number one, the biggest social issues now that we have is EUT who they are facing drugs, they are facing unemployment, they are facing so many things that is around us. And how do we incorporate them? When they come MK and they understand our issues that are happening in our country, how do we come? How do we bring them on board? Example, maybe by now, as cinema soldier and cinema platoons, already we should have a system where we're saying after school, because I think that's when EMK based their campaign on and saying we are going to take the youth away from the camps. We were supposed to have already known, okay, already we have set up a camp where we're saying youth iphume esikolweni or mhlambe khona abanye bazafika ku-matric abangathandi mhlambe isikolo. It's natural, but how do we incorporate them to come and that's why we need them as such. But now coming on board kunama issues where we have issue load shedding, we have issue water shortage. We need professionals there. We need really good professionals, and we have them, but they are one-sided because they went to a parliament, and out to the vacuum in terms of the deliverance of those water issues, because we can tackle those issues, but we have a capacity enough to sustain whatever that we are tackling. We fought that war, we won, but are we going to sustain it? Understand? Kuna load reduction now. The last time the Minister of Electricity said we're not gonna have a load reduction anymore, but we still have them. We can fight that fight, but are we going to sustain it now? So no, we are going to imagine we need professionals who are going to come in there, and as much as we have them in Parliament, but even on the ground levels, we need people who will be dedicated. Because imagine we have Umutogo housing in our province. Uspan, what does it give us? Like I said, next. But about to evicted every day. This morning we were fighting eviction. But we have a department of housing in our province. It's not giving us anything. That is why I'm saying, as much as we need soldiers, at the same time, we need professionals. So that these things, even if we fight it on the ground, as our ground forces, but at the same time, they will sustain that thing. Come up with policies that would say, as much as we are fighting, say to no evictions and whatever. But at the same time, that only is what we are born. Then if we can have that, then it's good. But much we don't have that in Kenya. And we still need to take maturity. So we can't concentrate on we can't go one-sided when we're taking this. It's a big decision to bring Utoni again in the
organization.
In the organization, you know, it's a big decision. But Paspan, that's the thing. How going forward, I'm a such as per in, you understand? Discipline, yeah, well, I agree 100%. But now we need to sustain other things. We can't sustain the discipline and the discipline out there. We can't say about public discipline, Maraban Tabasebians. And as I understand now. Yeah. So my take would be it's good to have soldiers on board, so that parties gonna be disciplined and but there are other big issues where especially in the social side. What are we doing about those things?
I think as in Kabang it's one of the points khona le MP lethu bathi as time we emphasize political education, man. Political education iyashoda on the ground.
Kakhulu.
Masesikhuluma iqiniso abantu abamnyama or societies at large nje into ebizwa ipolitiki nje they think ukuthi it's malema or umbalula making jokes in parliament or my press briefing, slandering. Kanti this is very broad. It starts from nje mawuphuma ngomnyango nje ubona inja kumele ikhela amanzi. That's politics. Iqala in the immediate community, whatever social ill, mawubona iphepha, mawubona amanzi, mawubona pothole, mawubona utshani nje ihlathi. That's politics. It needs ideology to sustain it. So I think the MK needs to like propose a standard program of political education as a implementer kuwo wonke ama-ward nama-VD. I don't know if I'm making sense, Commander.
No, you're making sense, Commander. We need that. That's what I'm saying. Actually, what you are saying, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We can't have it will never be balanced. And somebody's going to cry and say, yeah, but it's a shorter, and it's a shorter when coming to tackle social issues, it's a shorter. Now you see now in terms of the Gauteng, Izolo, Amapanyaza we just find out which Amapanyaza they are disbanded, you know. But now, as MK, what are we saying? As a province, what are we saying? You know, what are we saying? Okay, Amapanyaza disbanded, okay? Remember, Amapanyaza, there kunemoto lapho zamapanyaza esithengwe ngemali very expensive. They are very expensive cars. They are very. What?
Yes.
What are we saying? Are we saying okay, amapanyaza wakhe awadisband uphelele lapho and then what? But if we can say as MP, we need to have a stance on okay, amapanyaza disbanding. But what are we saying? As MK, what are we saying?
Exactly.
As MK by now. So we've been led by Abantu another ideology, and we wouldn't blame them because we are concentrating on discipline. We'll be asking them a question, but Mara commander or ground forces, you must be disciplined. But issues, we are on the ground. We are the ones who need to face them end of the day. And facing them is not about which is Novas Trolamanzi and Kasi and then no, we need to sustain that thing. And say, okay, how are we going to sustain which is Salis Namans? How are we going to sustain Salis electric? How do we sustain in the Yama trucks? Even the Madana Commission. Okay, no, but we said it's good because we've seen that with the government they're involved in trucks. But how do we sustain that? If Manama answers from that, then we have a problem, and it's a serious problem. Sorry for the last point, just for an SG, remember we have this foreign thing, emakasi, snipers, cinema malls where they employ, where no, I got documented, and then we can't. Then we start and dealing so much. I able to check us next. I got Paganet. I got we were supposed to say no as MK. Pushing that thing. Our ground forces must continue pushing that narrative. You would know, but our foreigners, we don't need our foreigners are undocumented who are taking everything. We don't need that. And if POAs continue with those POAs, but we come and say one sentence and then after a deal. Hey man. No, it throws under the pass. It was under the pass. Maybe the way but for me now, pass because Agaspanga anything, it to do just to put them on this thing, It's their POA. That's what makes Tutula to be even Ibonaga. You understand? And not because it's a social issue, we find ourselves in there.
Exactly.
But now, what are we doing about it? We're not doing anything. We are saying, guys, remember, Gucci, if we document it, and then now we have same qualifications now, and then there are sections of constitution. We need to challenge those sections. But it's uncalled. Why Mutosi feeling in foreign and for the like number one? Why? I'm a paramedic by profession. Why should I as a paramedic in foreigner documented now? Documented this foreigner now. Why think Lulum Siblings were but well, that's why
because of Snigger fighting point, because of Snigger spirit coming from the national officials. But Manji, okay, what is your last take or last message to both our ground forces, nama detractors or our ground forces? Any message? Say command.
Yeah, no, true. My last message to my ground forces will be say, guys, the fight that we are fighting is not by mistake. It's not by default. We must keep standing hlangano, mina believe ukuthi ama-ground forces abantu abathanda inhlangano kakhulu, the fight that they're fighting, those are honest fights, we should just press the accelerator and continue fighting It's not right ukuthi as ground forces we are somebody will say to recruit and mobilize and whatever, and then but ikhanda liyaxega, you know, as much as we are recruiting, we need to sustain those things. We need to sustain the recruiter. We need to make them ground forces. We need them to basizele nabanye abantu. So the fight that we are fighting as ground forces, I will say yes, it's a good fight. Let's just continue and fight those fights. Because it's we want to see the organization to in the next 10 years that took that majority. You know, and it can be done. It can be done, but ibanzima because sometimes ikhanda liyaxega. We need ama resources on the ground. Khona manje, you know, izinto ezenzakalayo, you get people who are selling t-shirts. T-shirt bazokutshela ukuthi ama t-shirt they are selling them 3,500, but that needs to provide us those t-shirts, because now the next thing will be uzothola ukuthi athuthenga amagazibo awenhlangano, and then ground forces need to ukuthi bahlanganise imali bathenga amagazibo, but inhlangano that needs to provide us with that. So that's why I'm saying yes, we are fighting a good fight, and leadership yethu nayo must come on board and give us our resources. We can't, you know, go recruit and mobilize, but I don't even have a form. I must take my own money, go print the form and ibanzima kakhulu, because it still create social issues where now I must fight with my girlfriend of my wife because angikwazi ukumupha imali ngithathele yakhe bundle yana form. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us a platform, my brother. Thank you so much for bringing us a life Kamsholuzi. Thank you so much, Sabo.
Bonga mina ground force. Hopefully le video le izahamba iziyofika kumnikazi, more especially le segment le yethu le, because it's very important ukuthi sibeka ama issues. Athi abanye bayasifame abacanga ukuthi masibeka ama issues which we are just looking for fame, kanti sifuna attention ya leadership. We need our leadership besides us. And since Umkhonto kuyi-VT based organization, it's very essential ukuthi ama-VT abe prioritized. And when we say prioritize ama-VT, we mean strengthening in terms of resource allocation.
Yes, true.
We need to channel resource allocation from the VT, ama-VT abe solid. Ama-VT mawa solid, iward iba solid, isub-region iba solid.
Exactly.
Region iba solid. So
Exactly.
we hope nalaba ababukele abarecorda barecorda yona le part yokuqala bayathanda bayise la engafika khona. Phone yakho kunini ringa uyafuneka.
Yeah, I'm trying to avoid, but well, we are here, and we are here. We are talking about inhlangano, you know. So sorry about that, but we are here.
All right. Mina sengicovered yonke ama-points esayidini lami. Ngezwa ngawo.
No, let's keep pushing it. You know, we need people like you. We need people like you. Abazosiphi platform. Remember, the media is not even giving MKA platform, but we need people like you who's gonna give the MKA platform. You know, and then now. In the MK now, you can't just take you lightly. You know, we need to have a media officer on that vision. And now, you know, as I'm a social media whatever. Ban support, you know, ban support in your base where we need people like you. We need people like you. Not as MK, I'm a member of MK where we can voice our grievances if you have grievances, and now we need people like you also to give a leadership here to that space. Now we comment on social issues, but when coming to social issues, you know. So thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much.
All right, strong leadership. Thank you for participating. Step my ground force now next. azosijoyina nje sibe baningi. We should do this more often vele. Singathi
Please,
nini sijampe ku-TikTok ngoba ngizwile le kusakho namhlanje le yanini yaSaturday lapha kubabukhoma bekukhanya uploada namhlanje i-appearance yakho lapha ku-TikTok live wakhe ngathi okay
yeah, that's my stance. Angijiki lapho ngimile lapho. People will want to what they are.
Eish, yabo le network
Inhlangano yothi can't be led by abantu abangasiphi next. Remember umuntu osebenzayo somewhere during the day. Yonke into yenzeka in real time, you know. And if we have missed an opportunity to do something, it can't be undone so we must all be in the ground so that inhlangano izokwazi ukukhula. Umunye ubhizi somewhere ngeke asiphe lento lesifuna. Ngeke asiphe lento lesifunayo.
yeah ushaye khona hopefully ama-ground force namanye azokhuthala next time nje to come on board sithi ukuhabula but yeah ayibonga mina leadership. Let us log off for now. Thank
you.
Yeah, my commander, that was Utosi Mtumunye. Yeah, Utosi Mtumunye, one of our patriotic ground forces. Yes, Bonga my leadership. We've been online for 2 hours and 20 minutes. So yeah, hopefully next time, so it dominates the platform. Thank you.